Hello, architects! Welcome to a new video where we talk about the easiest way to create a roof in Sketchup. We will start by drawing a random base for the roof, and of course, you should draw the base that you need for your roof. Once we've drawn the base of the roof, we need to add the roof surface to a group. Then enter the group for editing and simply select the roof surface. After that, with the help of the 1001 extension, we create magic with just one click. We select the roof surface, and in the extension we choose Automatically Create Hip Roof, where you can, of course, adjust the roof height, for example, and that's it. If you want, you can make your roof more attractive by creating the structure with just a few clicks of the mouse. If you like how the extension works, let us know in the comments, and we will leave you a link to download the extension for free. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please support our channel by subscribing and giving us a like.